Here, at the top of a ridge in Sonoma, California, on this hill adorned with massive oak trees draped in Ramalina lace lichen, also known as Spanish moss, we find the Lichen House. The free-ranging branches of the site's mature live and coastal oak trees support veils of Ramalina lichen that grow and spread to produce their own food using sunlight. They do not feed on or harm the trees they inhabit, but remove pollutants from the air through photosynthesis. This relationship between lichen and host inspires architecture specifically tailored to the site, establishing an ethic for design that encourages symbiotic relationships rather than dominant ones between the built and unbuilt worlds, mirroring the gesture and fluidity of movement in architecture. This single-story contemporary residence was designed by the American studio Schwartz and Architecture. The undulating metal fin trellis is a formal reference to the geometry of the lichen, recreating the filtered and dappled light of the lace lichen's net. It filters the intense summer sun and allows solar heat gain in the winter when the sun is low in the sky. The T-shaped layout of the house aims to maximize the interior's exposure to natural light and the stunning landscapes around it. The wings of the house extend towards expansive views to the south and west, with the freedom to precisely adjust the orientation to focal points in the landscape. Each room is tuned to its own spatial microclimate, considering privacy, views, solar orientation, quality of light, and airflow. Integral to the concept and design of the Lichen House is a porous and breathable building envelope that accepts, filters, and processes external conditions, much like the lichen that inspires the design. A south-facing, unconditioned hallway along the private wing serves as a thermal buffer. This zone protects the sleeping quarters from direct southern exposure, dampening heat loss and gain while promoting natural airflow, effectively minimizing the heating and cooling loads of the house.